Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 6 trades. Today's date is January the 7th. Today I just started out as scalping, and scalping for me is like 2 to 10 pips, and everything above 10 pips I call that a bonus. Now some of these trades, as this first one right here, I traded the pullback, and other trades I traded a great way to trade. So let's run a check on all these pairs. Dollar Swiss here, I sold it. Now these trades I took were either a little bit before 7 or a little bit after 7 a.m. New York time, and looks like I closed them all right around 8:30 this morning. So for about an hour and a half working today, my day is done. Just have to do this video. So let's see, as I said, this was a pullback. I'm using my new fractal trigger system. Took the trade at this cursor, I sold it. Didn't go much against me, like 2 pips. And I closed this one out, looks like with 6 pips. And 6 pips on the dollar Swiss paid $679. Now I love trading with these fractals. As you can clearly see, this is an advanced fractal indicator. I keep it on it's multi-time frames. I do put it on the 60 minutes. So when you see the fractals, it's based on the 60-minute time frame. And it has built-in alerts. You can also send it to your email here. I don't care too much for all of this, but for you traders who love this, you can easily set it up. So between the fractals telling me, as in this situation, red fractals were selling and blue, like over here and here, were buying. This would have been a nice run up, by the way. That's like more than 50 pips. But I was sleeping at this time. This is the New York session, this is the London session, and this is the Asian session. So let's run a check on the next pair, the dollar CAD. Let's see how that worked out. Dollar CAD. Another one I sold based on the fractals and for other reasons that I teach within the training videos. Drag and drop it up, see where I got in at. This trade, like the previous trade, this is trading pullbacks. Even though that it looks really good for a great way to trade for going up. And definitely there is some trades right around here for working its way back up. I do teach how to trade the flow of the market, and once you learn the flow of the market, you can trade pullbacks, as in this situation, and of course this move up. If you just want to scalp, very easy to get 10 or 20 pips. You can find many trades going up and down all day long. So I took the trade at this cursor, I sold it. Looks like it went against me about 4 pips, and I closed it out here with 6 pips. As I said, I was just looking to scalp, and those 6 pips on the dollar CAD paid $471. Okay, the next pair is the euro pound. Let's see where I got in at. Now this one I sold. Looks like this one is trading a great way to trade. As I said, there's many trades every day. This is pretty much a perfect entry. Pretty close to it anyhow. Fractals suggesting to sell. And between the moving averages and the indicators down at the bottom, represents a great way to trade. And took the trade here, and I close it out here, looks like with 10 pips, and 10 pips on the euro pound paid $1,360. Okay, the next pair is the pound CAD. This was definitely more than just scalping. Let's just drag and drop it up. Now this is another trade that I was trading, a great way to trade. Perfect example of it. And of course the fractals are down here suggesting a buy. And look at this, just like magic, the fractals are at the top here suggesting a sell. Now I did the buy, I just didn't bother doing the selling part of it. Got in at this cursor right here and I closed this one out. Looks like with 32 pips, and 32 pips on the pound CAD paid $2,516. And of course you can easily trade the fractal on the pullback and grab an easy 20-25 pips, and it can still go down some more. Trading is super easy and certainly a lot of fun trading with my fractal trigger system. Okay, next pair is the pound Swiss. Let's run a check on that. This one I bought, so we'll just drag and drop it up. Another perfect example of a great way to trade. Got the timing a little bit wrong. Should have got in a little bit further down, but I was just looking to scalp, and that's exactly what I did. And I got, I was looking, when you're trading 5 pairs or more, by the time you get around and checking them all out, obviously closing the trade up here would have been better, but I just wanted to make sure I did not turn a winning trade into a losing trade. And I ended up closing out with only 4 pips, and I was okay with that. And 4 pips on the pound Swiss paid $453. Remember, as far as I was concerned, today was just a scalping day using my fractal trigger system. Last pair is the pound Aussie. Let's run a check on it. I bought it. I was hoping this was going to go up a little bit more, but it just kind of fizzled out, and that's just the way trading goes sometimes. Even when the meter kind of, well, it's not super strong or super weak for the Aussie or the pound, but certainly nothing wrong with scalping. Took the trade at this cursor, and I closed out. Looks like I got 10 pips, and 10 pips on the pound Aussie paid $697. So another good day of trading using my fractal trigger system. Pip total was 68 pips, and 68 pips ended up paying me $6,178. So if your system is not producing like the fractal trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. All you have to do is look right below this video and you will see my contact information. It's the fractal trigger system. I do charge $250 for it. Now it comes with 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now remember, it only works on the MT4 platform and not the MT5 platform. Now it comes with a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents. That is exactly what you need, is a lot of education and training to succeed at the markets. Package also includes 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways to trade. And the more ways that you learn how to trade, the more success you will find. And that is the reason why I threw in or produced 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. My number one way and the best and the easiest way to trade along it comes with a very high success rate. I call it a great way to trade, and that is using the indicators at the top and the bottom. And once everything lines up, you will find that it's quite easy also, but you have to follow the rules within the training videos. Now, of course, I'm not going to go through everything in here. All you can do is just put it on pause, read everything that I teach, and of course, if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my phone number. And if you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Don't forget the underscore right here. Now, I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link right here, and you will have a Skype connection with me. And through Skype, I'll give you a free session. Probably lasts about 45 minutes, depending on how many questions you have for me. Now, over many years, I've been building trigger systems. And if you click on this link right here, you will see 30 screenshots. So anyhow, that just about wraps up this video and another trading day. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.